Good morning, everyone. It is a beautiful day. Sun is shining. Gonna be a good hot one here in Texas. I just wanted to let everybody see the pretty that we still have. And it is starting to get a little fall, like where the plants are giving up a little bit, as you can kind of tell over here. I mean, there's a lot still, but so pretty. The rooster says good morning too. All right, everyone. I hope you have a beautiful, blessed day. I'll show you a couple of little, look how pretty this is. Oh, lizard. Look at this. I love this. And this is so pretty too. Just gorgeous. There goes my little doggy back there. Little pretty boy. Boy, my zinnias have been so big this year and so pretty. Look at this. Just gorgeous. I love this Texas rock rose. One of my favorite things. Look how big this thing is. Big as my hand. Good morning, LJ. All right, everyone. I hope it's a beautiful, blessed day for you. It's a pretty morning, glories. Oops. God bless. Please take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.